If you think most kitchen gadgets are just hype, wait till you see these. I've put together 39 Amazon kitchen gadgets for 2026 that are actually shockingly useful and make everyday cooking so much easier. And trust me, gadget number 21 is something you didn't even know you needed. Make produce cleaning faster and easier with the EKZ Sonic Fruit Vegetable Cleaning Brush. Delivering up to 8,000 vibrations per minute, it efficiently removes dirt with food-grade bristles that are safe for your fruits and veggies. USB-C rechargeable, waterproof, and featuring 3 cleaning modes, it's a smart upgrade for every kitchen. Enjoy delicious homemade hot pot with the Dezen Electric Shabu Shabu Pot. Featuring a spacious 4-liter removable nonstick pot, it makes cooking and cleaning effortless. The dual power control lets you adjust heat for perfect simmering, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor. Ideal for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, it brings warmth and convenience to every meal. Add vintage charm to your kitchen with the Elite Gourmet Americana 50s Retro Toaster Oven. This mint-colored countertop oven bakes and toasts with 1,000 watts of power, fits an 8-inch pizza, and features adjustable temperature control with a 60-minute timer, perfect for quick, everyday meals in style. Experience authentic flavor with the Karacha Hatter Turkish Coffee Maker. Brewing up to 5 cups at once, it features automatic temperature control, overflow protection, and ember mode to keep coffee warm. With audible and visual alerts in a sleek, shiny black design, it delivers tradition with modern convenience. Enjoy your favorite tea in style with the Mora Ceramics Large Tea Mug. This 18-ounce mug includes a loose-leaf infuser and ceramic lid for easy brewing. Crafted with a rustic matte glaze, it's microwave and dishwasher safe, making it perfect for cozy mornings at home or tea breaks on the go. Upgrade your outdoor cooking setup with this 32x24-inch stainless steel pizza oven table. Designed to fit Ninja Woodfire, Blackstone, Cuisinart, and more, it provides a sturdy prep surface for grilling and baking. Featuring convenient side hooks for tools and a portable design, this outdoor grill cart keeps everything organized and within reach for effortless backyard cooking. Keep your spices neat and accessible with this multifunctional kitchen spice rack. Featuring a double-layer, 4-grid design with included spoons, it organizes your condiments perfectly on cabinets, walls, or countertops. Punch-free installation and sleek gray finish make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Enjoy pizzeria-quality pizza at home with the Piazzano XL 14-inch electric indoor pizza oven. Heating up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks delicious, crispy stone-baked pizzas in under 6 minutes. The dual heat control lets you customize top and bottom cooking for perfect results every time. Designed for countertops and complete with peels and a scraper, it's everything you need for fast, authentic pizza nights. Brew with precision using this electric gooseneck kettle featuring 5 temperature control presets for perfect coffee and tea every time. The 1200W heating element quickly boils up to 0.8 liters, while the 100% stainless steel inner lid and bottom ensure pure taste and durability. Designed with a precision gooseneck spout, it delivers smooth, controlled pouring for flawless pour-over brewing. Keep your kitchen organized with this 2-tier large fruit basket featuring 2 mobile banana hangers for added convenience. The detachable metal design with a sturdy wooden handle makes it easy to move and clean. Perfect for storing fruit, bread, snacks, and vegetables, it also includes protective mats to keep your produce fresh and your countertop scratch-free. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-piece non-toxic cutting board set. Made from BPA-free plastic and rubber, it includes premium scissors and an organizer to keep everything in place. Dishwasher safe and durable, it's perfect for all your chopping, slicing, and meal prep needs. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Make fresh, nutritious meals for your baby with the Chef Handy Baby Food Maker. This 5-in-1 processor steams, blends, purees, reheats, and even self-cleans automatically. Featuring a stainless steel steam basket, BPA-free design, and 6 reusable pouches, it makes healthy homemade baby food quick, safe, and effortless. Perfect for busy parents. Chop ingredients quickly and effortlessly with the Pampered Chef Food Chopper. Perfect for vegetables, onions, garlic, fruits, and nuts, this handy manual chopper saves time in the kitchen. Compact, easy to use, and dishwasher safe, it delivers fast, even chopping with simple press-down action, making meal prep cleaner and more convenient. Enjoy mess-free snacking with the Leuven 34-ounce pickle jar with strainer flip. Its clever hourglass design separates pickles from brine. Just flip to drain and flip back to store. Made from durable glass with a leak-proof, airtight lid, it keeps olives, jalapenos, and sliced pickles fresh. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, it's smart storage made simple. Enjoy real espresso anywhere with this portable self-heating espresso machine. Designed for travel, it heats water automatically and brews rich espresso using ground coffee or capsules. USB-C charging makes it easy to power on the go, while the all-in-one kit includes a carrying bag and stand for convenience. Perfect for camping, office, or daily travel. Fresh espresso, anytime, anywhere. Clean produce the smart way with this fruit and vegetable washing machine. Simply place it in water and it automatically turns on, rotating to wash from every angle. Using a water rotator and OH ion purification technology, it helps remove impurities, leaving fruits and vegetables fresher and ready to enjoy. Enjoy versatile cooking with Aroma Houseware's essentials. The ASP 610 dual-sided Shabu hot pot features a 5-quart stainless steel design, perfect for shared meals with 2 flavors at once. Pair it with the 3-cup uncooked, 6-cup cooked rice cooker, a compact multi-cooker and steamer ideal for everyday rice, soups, and more, all in one convenient kitchen setup. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. Brew cafe-quality coffee at home with this 20-bar espresso machine with milk frother. Designed in compact stainless steel, it features a 44-ounce removable water tank for easy refills and rich, consistent flavor. Perfect for espresso, lattes, and cappuccinos, it's ideal for home, office, or a stylish gift for any coffee lover. Experience clean, effortless slicing with this foldable manual bread slicer, designed for homemade and sourdough loaves. Featuring dual German RSG blades, it delivers precise, even cuts every time. The adjustable thickness scale lets you customize each slice, while the hand crank system ensures smooth, controlled operation. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body and a beautiful acacia wood base, it folds compactly for easy storage, perfect for fresh bread done right. Cook fast and easy with the Dezen Hot Pot Electric with Steamer. This upgraded 1.5-liter mini pot features a non-stick sauté pan and adjustable power for perfect heat control. Ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, oatmeal, and soup, it's compact, versatile, and perfect for quick meals anytime. Bring authentic woodfire flavor to your backyard with the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill Smoker. With 6-in-1 functionality, it grills, smokes, bakes, roasts, air fries, and broils, all powered by electric heat for consistent performance. Enjoy smoky, juicy results without the hassle of charcoal or gas. Compact, powerful, and versatile, it's outdoor cooking made easy. Enjoy restaurant-style barbecue at home with the Cuisinmax Smokeless Indoor Grill. Powered by a strong 1500W heating system, it cooks fast with less smoke and less mess. The LED smart display gives you precise temperature control, while the tempered glass lid locks in flavor. With non-stick, removable grill and griddle plates, cleanup is quick and easy. Perfect for Korean barbecue, steaks, and everyday indoor grilling. Keep meals fresh and organized with the Tronco 24-ounce glass food storage container. Made from durable, BPA-free glass, it features an airtight, leak-proof lid to prevent spills on the go. Perfect for meal prep, salads, yogurt, soups, and stews. Microwave and dishwasher safe, it's a clean, reliable choice for everyday lunches and leftovers. Cook faster and smarter with the 3-in-1 stainless steel 8-quart pressure cooker. Designed to save up to 70% cooking time, it features 3 adjustable PSI settings for perfect control. The one-hand locking system ensures safe, easy operation, while induction compatibility adds versatility. Complete with a glass lid and steamer rack, this durable Olja depression handles everything from tender meats to healthy steamed meals. Create adorable Japanese rice balls at home with this onigiri mold set. Made from natural bamboo, the medium-sized wooden molds help you shape perfect onigiri quickly and easily. Ideal for DIY bento lunches, picnics, and family snacks, this kit makes cooking fun for kids and adults. Simple, traditional, and beautifully handmade. Make perfect waffles every time with the Chefman anti-overflow Belgian waffle maker. The mess-free moat catches excess batter, while the shade selector and temperature control let you customize every waffle. With non-stick plates, a cool touch handle, and a measuring cup included, breakfast is faster, cleaner, and more delicious. Cook anywhere with the 1300W automatic stir-fry machine. Featuring a 6.5-liter pot and 360-degree rotation, it stirs and cooks evenly with minimal effort. Designed for home, outdoor cooking, camping, and travel, this all-in-one machine delivers fast, flavorful meals wherever you go. Power through meal prep with this heavy-duty electric meat grinder, delivering up to 3200W max performance. Built from durable stainless steel, it includes 2 sharp blades, 3 grinding plates, and 3 sausage tubes for perfect texture and homemade sausages. Fast, reliable, and ideal for everyday home kitchen use. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with the 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer. Designed to fit US standard 3.5-inch sink holes, it works as a stopper, strainer, and anti-clogging basket in one. This smart sink accessory traps food waste while allowing water to flow freely, making cleanup quick, easy, and mess-free. Cook more in one pot with the 6.5-quart steamer pot with lid. This non-stick soup pot includes a built-in steamer, perfect for vegetables, dumplings, pasta, and everyday meals. Designed with stay-cool handles and induction-compatible cookware, it heats evenly and safely. PFOA-free and easy to clean, it's a versatile, healthy choice for any kitchen. Make perfectly cooked rice and more with the Toshiba 5.5-cup rice cooker steamer. With simple one-touch operation and automatic keep warm function, it delivers fluffy rice every time. The removable non-stick inner pot and inner lid make cleaning easy, while the included steaming basket lets you prepare soups, stews, grains, and oatmeal effortlessly. Stylish in silvery white, it's a reliable essential for any kitchen. Keep your space clean and organized with this 2.6-gallon kitchen compost bin. Designed for countertop, undersink, or cabinet door hanging, it's compact yet spacious enough for daily food waste. The secure lid helps contain odors, making it perfect for indoor or outdoor use in kitchens, bathrooms, RVs, or offices. Convenient, versatile, and space-saving for everyday living. Make opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless with the 2026 4-in-1 jar opener. Adjustable and made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for seniors and anyone with arthritis. This versatile kitchen tool fits multiple sizes, giving you a safe, easy grip and saving time and effort in the kitchen. Cook faster and smarter with the 3-in-1 stainless steel 8-quart pressure cooker. Designed to save up to 70% cooking time, it features 3 adjustable PSI settings for perfect control. The one-hand locking system ensures safe, easy operation, while induction compatibility adds versatility. Complete with a glass lid and steamer rack, this durable Olja depression handles everything from tender meats to healthy steamed meals. Upgrade your kitchen workflow with the Nyhome over-the-sink cutting board. This smart 2-in-1 design combines an anti-slip cutting surface with a collapsible colander, letting you chop, rinse, and drain right over the sink. The detachable draining basket with ergonomic handle adds comfort and control, while durable PP plastic and TPR rubber ensure stability and easy cleaning. Create endless frozen treats at home with the Ninja CRME Scoop Swirl Ice Cream Maker. With 13-in-1 programs, it makes soft serve, ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt, and more. The Scoop Swirl handle lets you customize texture and toppings, while 2 included 16-ounce pints make sharing easy. Creamy, smooth, and made your way every time. Meet the Hug Dug Spoon Saver, the cute and clever way to keep your spoon from falling into the pot. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it works as a spoon holder and lid lifter right on your stove. Fun, practical, and mess-free, it's a cool kitchen gadget that adds personality to everyday cooking. Enjoy hot, homemade meals anywhere with the Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox. With a 20-ounce capacity, it gently warms your food while keeping it spill-free, warm, and tasty. Perfect for travel and on-the-go lifestyles, its stylish moonshine green design is compact and convenient. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup, comfort food, wherever you are. Serve meals sustainably with these 100% compostable paper plates. Made from heavy-duty sugarcane bagasse, these 9-inch plates are sturdy, grease-resistant, and perfect for everyday meals or parties. The 125-pack offers great value, while the natural white, biodegradable design helps reduce waste. Strong, eco-friendly disposable plates you can feel good about using. Serve soups hot and ready with the Sooklane 10.5-quart commercial soup warmer. Powered by 110V electricity, this large-capacity electric soup kettle is perfect for family gatherings, parties, and events. Featuring a stainless steel hinged lid, detachable pot, and 2 included ladles, it's portable, easy to clean, and keeps soups, stews, and sauces warm and delicious for hours. Make food prep faster and cleaner with the Ruebo Baggy Rack Holder Set. These sturdy stands hold Ziploc and freezer bags open for easy filling during meal planning and storage. Perfect for reducing spills and waste, each pack includes 4 reusable holders in a fresh green color. Simple, practical, and a must-have kitchen organizer.